slow, balanced meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Breathe into your abdomen. You can either close your eyes or keeping gazing into the horizon. Place your hands by your sides over your legs and allow yourself to be here now. Just be an observer of the ebb and flow of your breath coming in and out. Breathe in and expand. Breathe out and contract. With each breath cycle, you are relaxed even more. This is a safe place for you to practice. Keep breathing. Excellent. Now, from this safe place that you have developed, bring your awareness into your emotional state. Allow yourself. Nothing will harm you. You are here now. Anything that shows up, that's okay. There is no need for labeling, no need for resistance. Just observe and be present. Emotions have their own ebb and flow. Emotion rise, emotion fall. You still here, present. You are not your emotion or emotional state. Now take a deep breath into your abdomen. With the longer exhalation, you will wipe out all the memories or all the feelings at the moment that are no longer serving you and come back to a neutral space and come back to normal, regular breathing. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.